Hi, welcome to Did You Know TV. Have you ever wondered what some of the biggest companies in the world started out selling? Success story begins with a humble beginning, and today we'll unravel the remarkable evolution of some of the world's leading companies. Here are the world iconic companies with their first products ever. Sony, the iconic Japanese electronics powerhouse, started out selling rice cookers. Samsung, the South Korean giant, started out as a grocery store. Macdonald's, American fast food chain, began with hot dogs. Nokia, the Finnish telecommunications, their first product was toilet paper. Toyota, the Japanese giant, started with selling automatic looms. Nintendo, the Japanese gaming company, started from selling playing cards. Lego, the Danish toy company, started from crafting wooden toys. Honda, Japanese automotive company, started out with a bicycle auxiliary engine maker. Ikea, the Swedish furniture giant, began with selling pens. Nestle, the Swiss food and beverage company, started with baby formula. LG, the South Korean electronics company, had a start with their facial creams. Coca-Cola, the American beverage maker, started out selling a tonic syrup. BMW, the German automotive company, started out selling aircraft engines. Nike, American sportswear brand, started with track shoes. HP, famous for making printers globally, started out selling an audio oscillator. Lamborghini, the Italian luxury car manufacturer, originally was producing tractors. Tiffany&Co, the American luxury jewelry brand, started in selling stationery. Amazon, the global e-commerce company, started out as an online bookstore. Intel started out selling memory chips. Loreal, the French cosmetics company, started out by selling hair dye. Wrigley, American chewing gum maker, began by selling soap and baking powder. Ford, the American automobile maker, began selling quadricycles. Hoover, the American leading vacuum cleaner maker, started out with selling leather products. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more. Here are few minutes off knowledge. See you in next one.